Now, before I show you the transformative difference that this beautiful mirror made, I want to show you the steps. It was very easy to install. It came completely put together. It has some really great safety features I want to point out, as well as it's just beautiful. But let me show you how easy it was to put on. It came with all the hardware that was needed. It came with very easy instructions and a detailed list of all the parts so you will know what comes with it, and it's so simple. It has a great little shelf that I'm going to show you. This is my favorite part that makes it very safe. And it also has instructions on if your walls are different types or different depths so you can make a real secure fit. Now, here is how we did it. Let me just point out that it came with all the screws, the molly bolts, and the protective features to hang it, and a few different options on how you can hang it. There is a sticker on this protective film that gives you an email and a phone number for customer support. That's really awesome. So that really helps in case you need anything at all. It has a shelf-on-shelf hanging system, which is super easy to hang and gives you a little room to the left and the right. Let's see how it looks. Now here's a beautiful transformation. Look how beautiful this looks. Perfectly warmed up this bathroom setting. Oh, so pretty. And it has a soft glow. Let me turn off this light so you can see the glow behind it. It's just perfect. It's a lovely little night light, a little welcoming light. And let's look at the different options. You can turn it on and off. It's equipped with 3 distinct lighting color modes: warm light, natural light, and bright daylight white. You have full control over the mood and functionality of your space. The smart touch controls make adjusting color temperature seamless, while the dimmable light setting allows you to fine-tune the brightness from full visibility all the way down to a subtle evening glow. And it has an integrated anti-fog heating pad that ensures the central viewing glass remains completely clear even immediately after steamy showers, saving you time and keeping the glass streak-free. It can be hung vertically or horizontally. This was provided from my honest decorator opinion, and I have found Backlit Vanity delivers a sleek, high-end feel without requiring a full renovation project. It does have an automatic shutoff, and my favorite thing is the beautiful pill-shaped frame design. It's smart mounted, and it blends effortlessly into modern minimalistic, modern farmhouse, or any type of decor. Now it comes in different sizes and shapes. I love this piece. This is the wave of the future for bathrooms. I highly recommend it. Please like and follow us for more.